Welcome back everyone to another Apptech Guru tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update the OBS Studio application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OBS Studio application. And once the application is opened up, at the top section, you will see the help option. Go ahead and click on it. And now you will find the check for updates option. Click on this button and this will now check for the updates on the background. Once the check is completed, if there is an update available, you will find the option to click forward. And if you see the warning that no updates are available, it means that you are using the latest stable version. You can also open up your web browser and then search for OBS Studio using your search engine. Then go into the OBS project download website and you can manually download the latest update as well. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the OBS Studio application to its latest version. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.